In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways in which you can generate leads for your business. You want to find out 5 ways of how to get more customers into your business. So whatever your business is, everybody wants new customers, and you can never have enough, right? You might have tried various strategies and you think, okay, I've got that working, but I still want more, because that's going to help the growth of my business. So I don't want to get complacent. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 of my top favorite strategies to getting more leads flowing into your business. And the 5th one is an absolute gold mine, and it's one that a lot of businesses are not currently taking advantage of because they don't know about it, or they don't know what the difference. Why should they use that strategy? So make sure you do carry on watching until the end, because I've got some 5 very powerful ways in which you can generate leads for your business. And before you do, hit that subscribe button, and if you've got any comments, please drop them in the comments box below, and either myself or a member of my team will come back to you. So let's start off with 5 ways of generating leads for your business. The first one is using Google Maps, and now it's called Google Business Profile. Now, Google Maps is an absolute gem for businesses who want to serve local customers. So, for example, if you're a dentist and you only want to attract people who are local to you, like if you're based in London, there's no point targeting someone who's based in Manchester, because they won't come to you because it's too far. So Google Maps is designed for local customers. Now, it's great for when people are typing in the near me type of keywords. For example, roofers near me, or plumbers near me, and so on. So if you go onto the Google page, and in this example, I've typed in roofers near me, and you can see when you scroll down the page, you can see a map section here, which really does stand out. So if you scroll up and down the page, you can see that most of the listings are text, but then you've got the Google Map section, even from the top, which is like, it really does stand out. So this is an absolute gem for businesses, because of the nature of it, it takes up so much space. And if you can get your business listed within the top 3 over here, you're going to start getting 60% of the inquiries. So if you're not in this section, in the top 3, then these people who are in the top 3 are getting most of the businesses, or most of the leads or the inquiries. Now, you can argue that, hey, if you click on more businesses here, I'm listed on the second page. But the problem is 80% of people do not click on this page. So it's not even worth being on the second page. You really do need to be in the top 3, which is called the local 3 pack. So this is an absolute gem for local businesses using Google Business Profile. It used to, or people generally call it, Google Maps. The second way of generating leads for your customers is using something called Google Ads. It's also called pay-per-click, abbreviated to PPC. And that is whereby we feed Google information to say, for example, if you're a roofer, we could say to Google, if someone types in roofers near me, then we want to be at the top of the Google page, or we want to be somewhere near the top of the Google page. We want our ad to be shown, we want our website to be shown, or we want people to call us directly from the Google page without even going to our website. So that's what Google does. And what happens is that if someone types in this case, roofers near me, your ad, your website will be shown on the Google page. If at that point in time someone either clicks on the ad and visits your website, or they call you from the Google page, then you will pay Google a certain amount of pence from your daily ad spend budget. So as an example, I've again typed in roofers near me, and if you scroll down the page, you can see this area here called sponsored. So you can see at the moment, we can see 2 sponsored listings. One is My Roofer Quotes and one is Bark. So these are the people that are currently advertising on Google Ads for the keyword roofers near me. So they are more likely to get the leads or the inquiries. So if someone is typing in roofers near me, because they are towards the top of the Google page. So that is how Google Ads works. There's a lot to it. There's a lot to understanding how Google Ads work. If you want to learn more about how Google Ads work, do hit that subscribe button, and then I will teach you more. I've got lots of videos, lots of resources about how to generate leads for your business. The third way, which is again a very powerful way, but it must be used in a very controlled manner, is using lead generation companies. And lead generation companies are the companies that supply you with leads. And what you can do, you can buy the leads from them. Now, a few things to note is it's great because you only pay for the lead that you buy. But a few things to note is that, firstly, these lead generation companies, normally they send the lead out to multiple companies. So you're always fighting to be the first one to get that lead. And the second thing is that they can change their business model at any time. They can start changing their prices anytime. So even though it's a great challenge to have, you must make sure that you've got your own ways of generating leads as opposed to only using lead generation companies. So use some of the other 4 methods that I'm telling you about. So you're not totally dependent on lead generation companies. You've got your own ways of generating your own leads. The fourth way of generating leads is Facebook ads. Now, with Facebook ads, your ads can appear on Facebook or even on Instagram. And then what we can do, the way we do the targeting on Facebook is normally by interests. So we can say, hey, if people have got an interest in roofing, for example, then our ad will be shown on the Facebook page, and in which case people can either click a form, fill it in, or they can be sent directly to your website. Facebook ads is great, and it must be explored by your business to see how it works. I generally find that what happens with Facebook ads is that you get a lot of leads, but the quality of the leads isn't as high because the intent hasn't always been there. People are normally using Facebook to just see what other people are doing. They're scrolling down the page, and then there's something, your ad appears, and they click on the ad when they weren't really looking for your products or services, but at some point in time they have shown an interest. So, and then they click on it and they make an inquiry. So it's a great way to have, but you must form your own way. So what you must do is form a strategy, use Facebook ads, use it for 3 months and see if it works or not. Not only are you getting the leads, but more importantly, are the leads converting into a sale or a genuine monetization in some shape or form, not just getting leads and them sitting in your inbox. The last way I'm going to show you is something called local service ads. And this is the one that a lot of businesses are missing out on, and it's an absolute gem for most businesses. Now, what local service ads is, it's again, as the name implies, it's created for local businesses. For example, in UK, it's for roofers, electricians, pest control, movers, photographers, and so on. Now, you've got to check to see, depending on the country that you're in, whether your category applies to local service ads. Now, this is the main difference between local service ad and Google ads. With Google ads, you pay per click. So from the Google page, if someone clicks on a link and they go to your website, you pay Google. Whether that materializes into a conversion or not, a lead or not, it doesn't matter. You still pay Google. You don't pay that much, but you do still pay. But with local service ads, you only pay per qualified lead. In other words, that you can say to local service ads that if someone sees my ad and they call me and it's a qualified call, then only at that point in time do I pay Google or whatever. So as an example, if you look on this page, again, roofers near me, you can see that there's a listing here, this listing and this listing here, so are both by local service ads. So if we call them, only at that point in time will this company will need to pay for the actual lead. It's not just per visit. And in order to get onto local service ads, not everyone can do it because you've got to go through a verification process. Again, if you want to learn more about how you can get your business onto local service ads, drop me a note in the comments area below. I will get in touch with you. There'll be a link whereby you can schedule a call with us as well. I will get back to you. So it's an absolute gem for most businesses. Guys, I hope you found that useful. Let me know which one of these are you trying at the moment out of 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. That is Google Maps, Google Ads, lead generation companies, Facebook ads, local service ads, SEO, or other. Just tell me, what type of strategies are you using in your business to generate more leads, so you're not just dependent on one form of channel or one source of leads. Let me know in the comments area below. And which other form of marketing do you think you might be interested in learning more about? Again, drop me a comment. It'd be great to hear from you. And at the same time, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, so when I do create new content for businesses just like yours, you'll be the first to be notified. And guys, if you want to learn more about generating leads for your business, click this video. It's an absolute gem for businesses just like yours to generate more leads. Goodbye for now.